Hi, everyone, here we present to you Professional Chef in the Kitchen. Introduction. The word chef comes from the French term chef de cuisine, meaning head of the kitchen. Historically, the title represents the person responsible for the kitchen and its operations, managing food preparation, supervising kitchen staff, and ensuring culinary standards. The profession of a chef has origins dating back to medieval Europe, where cooks managed noble kitchens and honed their craft over years of apprenticeship. Over time, this evolved, with the title chef becoming associated with culinary expertise and leadership in kitchens worldwide. What is a professional chef? A professional chef is an individual who possesses advanced skills in culinary arts and has dedicated themselves to learning techniques, flavors, and the science of cooking. They not only master recipes and cooking methods but also understand the importance of kitchen efficiency, hygiene, and innovation. Professional chefs typically work in restaurants, hotels, or catering services, where they're expected to create exceptional dishes consistently. Please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you haven't. Difference between a chef and a professional chef. While a chef generally refers to someone who cooks as their profession, a professional chef denotes someone with formal culinary training and expertise who exhibits an elevated level of knowledge and skill in the kitchen. They are often recognized for their leadership qualities, creativity, and deep understanding of flavor profiles, textures, and presentation. How to cook like a professional chef at home. Welcome to the kitchen. Today, we'll dive into the techniques, tips, and tricks that will help you cook like a professional chef right from your home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home cook, these methods can bring your dishes to the next level. Let's get started. First, mise en place is crucial. This means everything in its place, so gather all your ingredients, chop and measure them before you start cooking. Sharpen your knives. Sharp knives reduce prep time and help with precision. Understand your recipe before cooking. Read through it entirely to avoid surprises. Master techniques. 4. Sauté like a chef by preheating the pan before adding oil. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. 5. Deglaze your pan with wine or broth to add depth and flavor. 6. Learn the art of seasoning. Season with salt at the beginning and taste as you go. 7. Use the fond, the brown bits left after searing, for flavor in sauces and gravies. 8. Master knife skills by practicing classic cuts like dicing, mincing, and julienne. 9. Embrace blanching and shocking vegetables to preserve color and texture. Plating and presentation. 10. Use white plates for a professional look. 11. Balance colors for visual appeal. 12. Garnish with fresh herbs or a splash of sauce for that finishing touch. By applying these techniques and tips, you'll be amazed at how your cooking skills evolve, bringing professional level meals to your table. Remember, practice makes perfect. Please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you haven't. 20 techniques to elevate home cooking. Mise en place. Have ingredients ready. Knife skills. Practice basic cuts. Searing meat. High heat for a caramelized crust. Sauté. Preheat pan. Cook ingredients quickly. Deglazing. Add liquid to pan for a flavorful sauce. Braising. Cook tough cuts slowly in liquid. Seasoning. Season in layers for flavor. Simmering versus boiling. Control heat to avoid overcooking. Roasting. Use high heat for crisp textures. Broiling. Quick, high heat method for browning. Blanching. Briefly boil then cool in ice water. Emulsifying sauces. Combine ingredients smoothly. Layering flavors. Build complexity in dishes. Using fresh herbs. Add freshness to dishes. Making a roux base for sauces. Basting meats. Add moisture during cooking. Smoking foods. Adds unique flavors. Dehydrating. Remove moisture to preserve. Whisking techniques for smoother mixes. Balancing acidity. Brighten dishes with acid. 20 tips to elevate home cooking. Always taste as you go. Use seasonal ingredients. Experiment with spices. Practice mise en place. Invest in a good chef's knife. Preheat pans before cooking. Rest meats after cooking. Add herbs at the end. Finish dishes with a splash of acid. Salt early and taste often. Avoid overcrowding pans. Embrace the power of butter. Use stock instead of water. Make homemade dressings. Freeze fresh herbs in oil. Toast spices for more flavor. Double recipes for leftovers. Try a pinch of sugar in sauces. Clean as you cook. Plan meals with texture variety. 40 qualities of a professional chef. Creativity, adaptability, time management, strong work ethic, passion for food, attention to detail, physical endurance, leadership, patience, dexterity, quick thinking, knowledge of cuisines, understanding of flavors, knife skills, recipe development, precision, multitasking, stress management, sense of urgency, team player, willingness to learn, innovation, customer focus. Culinary knowledge, cleanliness, consistency, menu planning, adaptable to feedback, knowledge of equipment, food safety awareness, portion control, budget management, plating skills, humility, efficiency, reliable, organized, enthusiasm, analytical, resilience. 20 places professional chefs are found and why. Restaurants, signature dishes and cuisine. Hotels, catering, diverse guest preferences. Cruise ships, variety for travelers. Private clubs, exclusive dining experiences. Event caterers, food for celebrations. Airlines specialized in flight meals. Embassies catering international tastes. Culinary schools training the next generation. Television showcasing culinary talent. Food trucks, creative street food. Corporate offices serving company needs. Luxury resorts, high-end cuisine. Farm-to-table restaurants, fresh local ingredients. Catering services, diverse client needs. Sports arenas, high-volume catering. Theme parks, quick, diverse meals. Military bases, specialized requirements. Hospitality consultancy, menu development. Hospital kitchens, nutrition-focused meals. Schools, healthy food programs. Please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you haven't. Conclusion and final thoughts. Cooking like a professional chef at home is about more than following recipes. It's about mastering techniques, honing skills, and building an understanding of flavors. By adopting professional tips, from mise en place to presentation, and practicing them consistently, you'll elevate your dishes and develop confidence in the kitchen. Following these guidelines will not only help improve your cooking, but also make it a more rewarding experience for you and those you share meals with. Whether you're cooking a weeknight dinner or preparing for a special event, these insights bring both flair and flavor to your home kitchen. Enjoy the journey of cooking like a pro. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you have not. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, click or tap notification bell so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to this channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.